Hey there. Today I want to talk about favicons. Favicons, which I thought for the longest time were called flavicons. I don't know why, but they're favicons, are the tiny little pictures that are, if you look up at the top of the browser here, you can see these little pictures that are next to the titles of the websites that I've got my tabs up here. These little pictures, for some reason, it's the most fun part of building a website for me. I don't know why. I love putting these on at the end, and it's just kind of really putting the cherry on top of the cake, at the end of building your website. If you want to look like you know what you're doing, the site is done, the person who built the website knew what they were doing, use a favicon when you finish. I have got some, if you see, I've put a screenshot that I made of the browser tab here. You can see some favicons from some famous brands here. I've got Tesla, Apple, Chanel. Here are a few that I did myself. This is a golf site, so I've got a little golf ball. This business makes goat's milk soap, so they've got a little goat lip injector, so there's a mouth. This is what you get on your site if you don't put anything. You get a Wix favicon like that. So those are what, some brands look like. And as you can see, they don't put their whole logo here. It's just an icon. You want it to be visible. You don't want it to be, your whole logo that nobody can read, nobody can see what it is. The Apple, the Chanel, they're really clear and they really help brand the site in the browser bar. So today I want to fix my favicon because I did that. I put too big really of an image inside this little tiny space. When you look at it up in the browser bar, you can't see it. If you are in your site dashboard and you go down to settings, I've got a big exclamation point there because I don't have a payment gateway attached to my website, and Wix really wants me to attach one, so that's what that's for. Okay, so we're going to go into website settings right here. Manage your site's name, URL, favicon, and more. And then you'll go down here into favicon. Now you have to have a premium Wix site to be able to add a favicon. So I'm going to click on to update image, and then it's going to go into my site files and ask me to upload an image. Now, where am I going to get this image from? I have two choices. The first one is super easy, and it's to go to Canva. So I'm going to go up and click on Canva, and notice the nice Canva favicon up here. So if I go to Canva and I'm going to create a design and custom size, the smallest size you can create in Canva is 40 by 40 pixels. And so that's what I'm going to use. Favicons can be even smaller than that, but that's the smallest you can get here. So that's what I'm going to use. I've already done this, so I'm going to click on here. This image is, the first image up top is another website I'm doing that I was creating a favicon for. The second one is what I'm going to do with mine. So if I go into uploads in Canva, and I'm going to show you another way to do this in a sec that doesn't involve Canva. Okay, so I'm going to add a page. Here's what I did. I took this logo here, I stuck it on here, and then I cropped out the outer words and just made it bigger. So I'm going to just download page 2 here. So I'm going to click on share. I'm going to click on download. I'm going to click on transparent background, and then I'm going to select the pages, and don't want all the pages. I just want page 2, and then I'm going to download that. And so now it's in my files. So I'm going to go back to my page here. I'm going to upload image, upload media, upload from computer, and I'm going to just go into recents and click on that. And it's going to be right here, and it's all blurry looking because it's such a small little file. There it is right here. All right, so I up at the right hand corner here click save, And if I go to a new browser tab and put my site in, there we go. Up at the top here, where I used to have my logo and it was all tiny, I now have the BD for Bear Design, and that works out much better for me. The other way that you can do this is you can just literally go into your website and take a screenshot of your logo or a portion of your logo and just save the screenshot onto your computer and upload it into here. And that's super easy as well. And you can just sometimes play around with the size. And that's it, super simple. Join me every day this month, and we're going to do one task a day to get your website going and get you live really fast, really simple. Thanks.